Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert a YouTube video in PowerPoint. So let's get right into it. I have a PowerPoint slide here where I would like to insert the YouTube video. To begin, head over to YouTube and find the video you want to include in your presentation. Once you have opened the video, click on the share button right below it. This will bring up YouTube's share controls presenting various sharing options. Look for the copy button to grab the video link. Let's say if you do not want the video to play from the start but from a specific time, check the box labeled Start At. Set your desired start time and then copy the link. Now let's switch back to PowerPoint. Click on the Insert tab on the top here. In the Media section, click on Video and then select Online Video. A dialog box will pop up asking you to paste the video link. Right-click in the text box provided and choose Paste to enter the YouTube video link you copied earlier. Once you click Insert, give it a moment to load the video into your slide. When the video thumbnail appears on your slide, click and drag its corners to resize the video. You can then move it to wherever you want it positioned on the slide. You might have noticed when you click on the video, two additional tabs will appear: Video Format and Playback. Within the Video Format tab, you can select corrections or color to adjust the video color tone. Then there's a poster frame to change the video's thumbnail. By selecting Image from File, you are presented with options to choose an image from your computer, stock images, online sources, or icons. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will opt for stock images. Simply select an image that aligns with your presentation and click Insert. There are also options to apply different styles to your video. Let's say if you want your video to be placed within a certain frame, you can pick one. Let me pick one for this video to make it look nice and neat. Then there are also options to add different shapes, borders, or effects. Here we have more controls to move up and down layers. Now, if we switch to the Playback tab, you will notice most options are grayed out because it's a YouTube video. However, you can still set the video to start automatically or when clicked during your presentation. And by default, videos from YouTube play in click sequence. Finally, it's always a good idea to test the video before your presentation. Click on the video to ensure it plays correctly. And there you have it. You now know how to add a YouTube video to your PowerPoint slides. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I will catch you in the next video. Take care.